everyone! Welcome to the book club Stories by the Sea. My name is Anastasiya Shchebet. Today we are going to read this wonderful book with you called I'm a Bird. It was written by Hope Lim and illustrated by Hyewon Yum. See, in the picture, a little girl is riding a bicycle with her dad. Where are they going? And who are they going to meet on their way? Let's find out together. I'm a bird. Every morning, I fly like a bird on Daddy's bike. Caw-caw, caw-caw. I sing like a bird on the way to school. Caw-caw, caw-caw. People wave and smile, and the birds sing back. Caw-caw. One morning, I see a woman with a blue coat and a big bag. She's walking very fast. She doesn't wave. She doesn't smile. The next morning, I see her again with the same blue coat and the same big bag. I do not smile. I do not wave. I turn and look and wonder. What's inside the bag? Where is she going? Why doesn't she smile and wave? Day after day, my bird song stops when I spot the blue dot in the distance. Daddy, I don't like her. She's just a lady taking a walk. But what if she's not? I hide behind Daddy's back when we pass her. One morning, we are late for school and we don't pass the woman. Then, near the end of the park, I see her. When we get closer, I hear her. Chee, chee, chee. She's whispering a song to the birds. I turn and look until she sees me. I smile and wave. Caw-caw! Chee, chee, chee. I'm a bird again. Caw-caw! And now I know she's just like me. Chee, chee, chee. We are birds. Chee, chee, chee. Caw-caw! Tweet, tweet. The end. Thank you for reading this story by the sea along with me. If you enjoyed it, remember to like it. And of course, remember to tell your friends about my channel. See you next time.